Hi guys, this is for my Algebra 2 kiddos. These are the last two example problems I haven't gone over with you. Sorry if I sound disgusting. This is day 1 out of surgery. So, the last two problems I didn't show you from 6-8 are how to find the reciprocal of each complex number. So, before I even do the example problem, remember a reciprocal is like a flip number. So, like the reciprocal of 1 over 3 is just 3 over 1, or just 3. The reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Okay, they're reciprocals. So the reciprocal of like a number like 10 is 1 over 10. Because technically 10 is 10 over 1. So if we're asked to find the reciprocal of a complex number, you just take the complex number and put a 1 over it. So the reciprocal of 1 plus 4i is 1 over 1 plus 4i. And I wish it was that simple, and I wish that that was my answer, but it's not. You can't have an I in the denominator, remember? If there is an I in the denominator, you have to get rid of it. And just like we did on Friday, or like, what day was it? Thursday. You have to multiply the top and the bottom by this, except for instead of a plus sign, remember we're putting a minus. So 1 minus 4i in the numerator, 1 minus 4i in the denominator. Remember, I like to put parentheses anytime I have a binomial. Okay, so 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times negative 4i is negative 4i. So that is our new numerator. In the bottom, remember that we could multiply our first, which will give us 1, and our last, because we don't have to do the middle two because we designed this so they would cancel out. So here is 4 times negative 4, which gives me negative 16, and I times I is I squared. All right. So underneath, I keep my numerator. There's nothing I could simplify there. And my denominator changes because, remember, I squared just changes the sign of the coefficient, and then it goes away. So instead of a negative 16, it'll become a positive 16. Keep your numerator. Oh, sorry. And our denominator is just 1 plus 16, which is 17. And nothing could simplify here, so that's your answer. So that is the reciprocal of this. I'm going to turn this to the last example problem. Okay. This one looks uglier, but we're going to do the same thing. The reciprocal of this is 1 over negative square root 2 plus I square root 3. Again, we can't have square roots or i's in the denominator, so we multiply the top and the bottom by this, but we're going to flip that sign. That's going to be negative square root 2 minus I square root 3 over the same thing. parentheses around everything. Okay. 1 times that just stays the same. Hear the birds chirping? Must be nice to be a happy bird. Alright, so here negative times a negative is a positive, so square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. Remember, a square root times itself is just going to give you the number that's underneath. Positive negative is a negative. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3, I times I, is just 3i to the second power. Keep your numerator. There's nothing up there that I could combine. Keep your 2. And remember, the I squared changes the sign of the coefficient and then goes away. So instead of a minus, it becomes a plus. No more I squared. Cleaning it up. Two plus 3 is 5. There's nothing you can cancel out, so that's the answer. That's the reciprocal. So there were the last 2 example problems I didn't go over with you. Make sure you do your assignments. Make sure you do your work, because when I come back, I'm going to be checking everything. I want you to have everything done so you get good grades, you can pass this class, and I don't have to get angry. I'm kind of just kidding. So enjoy your week, guys. When I come back, ask me whatever you need to, and I'll see you later.